What are travel benefits?
Perhaps you've heard the phrase "and thousands of benefits nationwide" when we're speaking about the member card. It's so true. The member card program is active in 43 states, the District of Columbia, and 5 Canadian provinces. Before heading out on your next travel adventure, be it for business or pleasure, go online to membercard.com for a current list of benefits nationwide and order your travel card. Or check your directory for a listing of participating areas and an 800 number for ordering travel cards by phone. Each travel card entitles you to the same savings and benefits as public broadcasting members in that area and comes with its own directory. Your travel cards are valid for just 6 months rather than 12 full months, so only order for your immediate destinations. You may, however, order up to 3 travel cards per trip. So if you will be traveling through multiple states or visiting more than one destination during your adventure, you may request up to 3 different cards. There is a nominal fee per order, not per card, but per order, to offset the cost of postage and handling. You will find that using your travel card just once will more than make up for this nominal fee. Before heading home from your visit, you might consider leaving your travel card with friends, family, or business associates in that area. They could continue to reap the rewards and discounts until that member card expires. Perhaps that would encourage them to lend their support to their local public broadcasting station and request a member card of their very own. And don't forget to check the national lodging benefits available in the areas where you may be headed. Imagine a 50% savings in lodging by paying for one night and getting the second night free. Some even offer a 50% discount on a single night stay. A couple of final thoughts to keep in mind about using your national benefits. Even if a corresponding number can be found on your own member card, you must have a travel card and directory from the proper area in order to qualify for the savings. And Member Benefits Incorporated prefers that you request your travel card several weeks in advance of your trip. You can do this by phone or online.
Where will the member card take you?